Apple started testing iPhone 14. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. iPhone 14 is 6 months away from its official launch, but we are started getting confirmed leaks regarding the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The testing is started with the new models on the iPhone 14, although there is bad news for the iPhone 14 and 14 Max. If everything goes as planned, Apple will going to launch the iPhone 14 lineup in September this year. But Apple is only changing the design in two models. Base models still get the notch display this year. The price of new devices is also confirmed and the new back cameras on the iPhone 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max. But you have to keep this thing in mind that Apple only updating Pro models and base model will be same like the iPhone 13. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below iPhone 14 or 14 Pro, which one you are going to get this year. Apple is changing the design on iPhone 14 and 14 Pro Max. The back lens will be much thicker compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, since this time Apple is trying 48 megapixel main lens on the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, and the display will be pill plus hole design. But iPhone 14 and 14 Max will going to be the same just like the last year. iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max will come with the A16 bionic chip, and people might be thinking the iPhone 14 base model will going to be with A16, but it is not true. Apple this time not going to change the chipset in base model. According to rumors, iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max only get A16 bionic chip. Now after the engineering validation test EVT is conducted, it is almost confirmed what kind of a design we are going to get on iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. 6.1 inches OLED panel on iPhone 14 and 6.7 inches OLED panel on iPhone 14 Pro Max. The price of these devices can be debatable since Apple is sticking with the new technology only for Pro models, so Apple should have to trade off the base price for base model. According to rumors, iPhone 14 prices will be closer to the iPhone 13 lineup. So it is now clear that since Apple is using gold design, Apple will stick with the same pricing on the iPhone 14. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below iPhone 14 or 14 Pro, which one you are going to get this year. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.